is pouring. The old man is snoring. Hello. Shipping office. Hello.
Did it pick up?
Yeah.
What's your pickup number?
302-282-625.
Who you driving for?
Dreamfort.
What's your trailer number?
830-295.
830-295. Yeah. What's your tractor number?
20101.
20101. Right now, we got a couple drivers ahead of you.
Yeah.
So I'm going to get you to park along that fence behind the scale.
Yeah.
You should see some other tractors already over there. And when we get a door for you, a yard jock can come get you.
Okay.
All
Alright, thanks.
You're welcome.
So they sit y'all in the front and then
Hmm?
they sit y'all into a certain door, then you gotta wait till they call you. What they do?
No, he was like, there's already trucks waiting. Okay, I'm at the pickup and we're finna see if I am in here in here properly. Yeah, I think I'm good. Look at this. And I have to put my red airline. I am just getting loaded. I think it's like 7 o'clock. I've been here since 2. Let's see what I have in my truck because I have no idea. Oh, I have cat food. I have Tidy Cats. Oh no, it's like the cat litter. I have cat litter. So that's different. Have to move my tandems back. Not sure where I'm going to move them to, but I'm moving my tandems back and I'm going to go on the scale. And I'm going to go get my paperwork. I don't know why I always have trouble with moving my tandems either back or up, but I always seem to have a problem. Like, these trailers I be getting be bull crap because I always seem to have a problem moving my tandems, and it gets frustrating, it gets annoying, it gets like, what's the problem? Anyway, I'm about to just say F my tandems, and they're just gonna be where they at. And I'm about to get my paperwork. And just get it off my truck. Hey, 4.
You can take that to the guard shack and they'll print the bills out for you.
Okay. And then they'll take the thing off the trailer too?
They should.
Like the little.
The process to take the lock off now.
Oh no, not the lock. The magnet thing.
The yellow thing.
Yeah.
You can give it to them at the guard shack.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep.
So I have to give this paper to the guard shack, and then they will give me my bills, and then I will be getting the heck up out of her because I've been here for too long. Okay, I've been here since 2, but my appointment wasn't until 3. But still, it's 7. Anyway, I'm out here. I'll see you guys back on the road. Bye. Old man is snoring. Hello.
Hello. Thank you.
Okay. So you gave me a door. I just backed in. I had to move my tandems. So I'm gonna have to move these back, which we all know I don't like doing because it be acting funny. But anyway, I moved my tandems and they told me I had to put my landing gear down, so I'm about to do that now. And then I think said I had to remove my airline. And I think that's it. I think that's it, right? Maybe I have to remove both of them. Yeah, I'm gonna remove that. You guys know what time it is? It's shower time. I'm in South Carolina and it's been raining all day. Like I thought it was gonna stop a little bit because I didn't want to have to take a shower in the rain, but it didn't stop at all. That's why I didn't take a shower last night, because I thought okay, it's raining, and then it was dark time. So I'm like, maybe if I wait till tomorrow morning, it won't be raining. But it was raining all day today. But I had to take a shower today. And plus I'm going to PA, so you know, up north it gets really scarce with truck stops. So I'm like, let me take my shower today and not have to risk not taking another shower. Who has time to not take another one? So I'm at the Loves in South Carolina, and I have a pickup in North Carolina. The pickup is not until 9 p.m. But I'm gonna, I guess get there a little early. But first I'm gonna shower. It's 5 o'clock right now. So I'm trying to take a quick shower, because my showers can be definitely long. So I'm trying to take a quick enough shower, and we're gonna see what's going on. Hello. I'm in shower 1.
Okay, you gotta call them Park 1.
Hello. Where's shower? Oh, I'm right here. 7:35. Okay. Pretty big. You know, the normal. You know what time it is. I'm finna shower, and I'm finna get back to you guys when I'm done. Bye.